English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 7.
Architect, electrician, musician, flight attendant, firefighter, travel agent, mechanic, fashion designer, hairdresser, plumber, surgeon, pilot, butcher, journalist, vet, writer.
Trainee. Overtime. Full-time. Intern. Shift. Salary. Part-time. Annual vacation. Wage.
I enjoy my job. I'm looking for a job. I start work at 9 o'clock. I enjoy my work. I work in an office. I have so much work to do. I get to work by bus.
I am looking for a new job. This is really hard work. I can't come as I have to work late. It is a difficult job, but I love it. It took me years to find a job I love. I have a lot of work to finish. I really want to work in marketing. I have a part-time job. Do you get to work by car or train? What time do you finish work? Tyler wants to leave his job.
Hello, Kai.
Hi, Siobhan. What are you up to these days? Are you still working as a travel agent?
No, not anymore. I got bored working behind a desk, so I started looking for a new job last year. I spent weeks looking through ads in the newspaper, but I finally found the perfect job.
So, what do you do now?
I'm a flight attendant.
That's great. How are you finding it?
I'm really enjoying it. I had to do 6 weeks of training before I could start working on the planes, but the job is great fun. The only bad thing about it is working shifts. Sometimes I have to go to work in the middle of the night.
That's awful.
It's okay. We get a lot of annual vacation, so that makes up for the shifts. I took some time off to go to Jamaica last month.
I'm glad it's all going well for you.
Career. Promoted. Freelance. Training. Experience. Resign. Unemployed.
End of Lesson 7.